Shipping container cafes. I swear to God, we are doing so many of these at the moment, and why wouldn't you? They're unreal, a real head turner. This particular one's got a real clever use of space and some really nifty equipment inside. My name's Luke Stevens from Port Shipping Containers. Come on, we'll go and look at this one before it goes out. Okay, so when you're in this cafe, the first thing you're going to see is the size of this awning that we've constructed for this particular one. It is massive. We've got so much space here. But you can even put coffee machines right at the front here, and it's still got plenty of space to serve several people under the awning. Considering you've got a display cabinet down one end, this is deceptively a large area inside a 20-foot cafe. So you would have also noticed these large timber servery benches at the front here. Now these are fully removable, custom made of course, but when you're moving this container, if you are, from site to site, they simply pop up from inside, and now you can transport this no problems at all. As far as 20-foot cafes go, this is jam-packed full of equipment and still feels very spacious. I think definitely 2 or 3 people could be working in here very comfortably all day. Now, down this end of the container, we've obviously got our stainless steel workbenches and some storage underneath. On the other side, the opposite wall, we've got a large display fridge. This is going to house a variety of drinks and goods for the customers to actually visually see here. Yeah. Coming further back down, we've now got our prep area. So a large trough sink with a great stainless steel tap. We've got underneath, tucked away, is our hot water system, and moving down we've got further storage down here, and this is where possibly our heavier machinery is going to be housed, so coffee machines and toasters and whatnot. This floating shelf is particularly nice. I can just see our clients housing their beans and cups and merchandise up here beautifully for our customers to be able to come in and see clearly. Down the back end of this cafe is where it really gets quite interesting. Now we've managed to get an underbench freezer, and on top of that we've got our display cabinet also. Moving down further, we've got a void area with some power options, so the client will be able to wheel in some commercial fridges that are not necessarily for display but just more for cold storage. Tucked in this back corner, as you walk through your PA door, you're greeted with the hand wash station, so the guys come and clean up before they get straight into work. Now on the ground you'll see your commercial grade vinyl flooring. This is obviously coved with floor waste in the middle, making it really easy for the end of the day's trade just to sweep out or mop out. Some of the final features inside this container is obviously plenty of power options. We've got power points everywhere. It's fully insulated and it's got these lovely LED oyster lights on the roof. This is going to give plenty of light for the workers of those early morning starts well into the evening. Guys, thanks very much for joining us on another cafe video. If you've got a project in mind similar to this or something completely different, definitely reach out and talk to the team. We love working closely with our clients to develop products just like this. Definitely subscribe for more great videos, and we'll see you next time.